love Nairobi's Detoxifying shampoo. I use this all the time and I used to use it a lot on my clients. It's a great shampoo to remove any buildup of dirt. And then I like to go in with the Nairobi Hydrating Detangling shampoo, and it does exactly that, y'all, and it smells so good. I would have had my actual Humecta Silk conditioner, but I ran out, so I'm just going to be using Kenra's Luxe Shine conditioner. I love Kenra. It's one of my favorite brands to use, but I'm just going to be putting this conditioner all over my head, finger combing, and then I'm just going to rinse with cold water. Now that we're all done, I'm just going to be applying some of Kenra's leave-in conditioner, blow dry my hair, and we are ready for styling. In the front right here, I'm going to be leaving out just a little bit of hair, about like a triangle amount, just so that in the end I have a nice natural look, and it kind of gives it a feel of like a quick weave or a sew-in or even just a natural rod set, which is what I was going for. For my foundation, I usually do, braiдлess crochets, but today I just want to do about 5 braids going down. If you are not a braider, don't feel exempt. All you have to do is just put your hair into a low ponytail or connect your ponytails if your hair is not long enough. So I wound up going throwback with this. I'm going to be using Zury's V8910 in the texture of the rod set. It comes with 3 bundles, size 10, 9, and 8. I'm going to be putting 8 at the bottom, 9 in the middle, and then the 10-inch at the top. This hair does not come pre-looped, but it is actually kinky enough to stay in place when you create your knots. To prevent my parts from showing, I'm actually going to be crocheting through just some of the parts of the hair that goes into the braid. That way we have some hair that falls and overlaps and it starts to cover that part. So because I only have 5 braids in my head, I did go ahead and apply crochets not on the braid, but actually around the braid. That way we had some fullness and we didn't have a lot of big gaps. sure that the hair is nice and full and we don't have any spaces, I'm just going to be separating some of the curls and just kind of placing the curls where I want them to fall. And you'll see once I get to the front that I'll also be kind of bringing some curls over to kind of create some extra fullness in the front as well. Now with most crochet hair, you are going to have to clip at it every now and again. So be prepared for that, especially for crochet hair like this that are not pre-looped. It's just kind of free strand, I'm going to say. So just be prepared to, have to cut off any frizzies if it get too out of control. Honey, yes ma'am. This is the finishing look. I look so cute. I literally look like I washed my hair and gave myself a bomb rod set. That was the look that I was going for. I hope you babes enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified of all of my new videos. Merry Christmas, everybody. I will see you in my next video.